Hey, it's my Tabor City home here, and I was getting ready to change the batteries in this particular timer, and I thought about it, and there are very few things that I purchase that I am astounded by. And I'm going to tell you, this Orbit timer for watering stuff is one of them. These batteries were changed last February, and this thing has just gone dead. Now, from November to February, I had this thing turned off. It wouldn't click on to water anything, but it was still powered up and still had a display going. But man, I'm telling you, this thing, so this is on a low pressure watering system that I use for a front garden bed. And this thing, one time a day, 7 days a week, would open up that watering system, let it run for 15 minutes, and then close it back down. And did that for well over a year on 2 AA batteries. And that was my biggest concern when I bought this, was whether or not it was actually gonna function for any length of time on 2 AA batteries. And, you know, like I said, very few times have I ever purchased anything that exceeds my expectations. But I can tell you, I bought this at Lowe's. Since the time I purchased this, I have bought 3 others for other areas that need watering in the garden bed, vegetable garden, and some of the other beds that I have. But I'm telling you right now, Orbit watering timer, 2 AA batteries, well over 1 year worth of opening and closing and watering a garden bed. Can't go wrong with this product. I would give this thing, it would be beyond 5 stars. Like, this thing has well exceeded my expectations. So if you guys are out there looking for a garden timer that you want to hook to a watering system that you know is going to be reliable and run for a long period of time without having to mess with it, I would tell you to go get this. I would stand behind this. I believe in this product. It is well exceeded my expectations. All right. So my Tabor City home. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.